Good morning, guys. Today's gonna be a really fun, filled, good day, but I'm so tired. And the baby woke up at 6:30, and I brought him in bed with me, and he breastfed till probably like 7:30 maybe. And then I brought him back into his bed, and then I slept from like 7:30 to 8:30, and then he started crying again, so I brought him back into my bed and we slept until 9:30. But having all those interruptions and I can't really fall asleep while he's breastfeeding makes for a very tired person. So I'm very tired. I have an exhaustion headache, I think. Yeah. So I got my car back. Why didn't I start the video out with that? My dad is letting David have a car that he I think I explained this before, but my dad has this car that he just lends out to people for as long as they need it, and then they just have to give it back, and then he just lends it out to the next person that needs it. It's like a family thing. Anyways, so the last person just gave it back. So now it's David's turn to have it. And so I get my car back. I'm so excited. I got to, one of my small group girls came over last night, and I took her home in my car. So it was pretty nice to have my car. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Time to go outside and play.
The dark caramel, it actually might provide good balance to have some sugar in the cookie.
Okay, baby is napping. Well, he just moved. I just want to encourage all of you moms who may be sleep training. Do not run in there when they first start crying or they first start screaming. He just started crying for maybe 30 seconds, and boom, he's out. So yes, they will protest a little bit, but you know that they're tired, and then they fall asleep. So he's asleep. David just called me on his lunch at work. He totally forgot his wallet. He is such a weirdo when it comes to that. He doesn't like keep it. I mean, I understand that he's working, but he doesn't like keep it in his back pocket. I think that even though he doesn't like it and he thinks it's cumbersome, I think he needs to get one of those things that stick on the back of your phone. You guys never see mine because obviously I use my phone to film, but I have, it's just that little rubber pocket thing and it sticks on the back and you put all your cards in it. And he needs that because he is always forgetting his ID, forgetting his wallet. I don't even remember what I was talking about now. David called because I think I was saying that he forgot his wallet. He forgot his wallet at work. He always does that. He needs a sticky thing on the back of his phone to keep his cards in. And he was already to, the place that he was going to get lunch at. And he's like, crap, I don't know my wallet. So then he called one of his friends that he works with, hoping that he had money. And he didn't. So David brought a fig bar to work, and so that's what he's going to be eating for the whole day. And I was just like scrambling to try and figure out what can I do for him, and like we have accounts at 2 different banks, and so I'm trying to figure out if any of those banks are near him, which they're not because he's out in Salem in the middle of nowhere. And I mean, the only lucky thing is that lately it's been so hot outside that David can't really eat really heavy stuff if it's hot outside because it just makes him not feel well. So lately he hasn't really even been eating either the lunches that I get him or when he goes out. So I guess that's good, but he will usually eat them on the way home. And so he doesn't have something to eat on the way home now. Let's go get the baby. Simeon! Oh, are you stuck? Oh, come here. Oh my goodness, it's my boo-boo. Good morning. Good morning, my love bug. Oh, you see yourself in there? Good morning. Did you have a good nap? Did you? You didn't? You didn't have a good nap? What? What, baby? What? You didn't have a good nap or you did? More matchers, kind of. Mommy's dress is more purple. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I know. Sleep is for the weak. It's for the weak. Tiptoe through the Tiptoe through the
He's all decked out like he's going to the beach. I'm sure it'll be okay. Yeah.
I'm just doing video for my YouTube channel now. Oh. Hi, Kenna's YouTube channel.
Hi, Kenna's YouTube channel.
Oh, please don't cut this part out. Okay, that's not very nice. You want to say hello? Say hi. Hi. Who's that baby in there? Who is that? Yeah. You say mama. That was close, but say mama. No, mama. You say mama. You say mama. You really like the B sound, huh? Mama. Well, good morning, guys. I forgot to film like an outro last night. I'm still gonna include the footage, but what did I do? We just came back here, so me and my two small group girls and Simeon were swimming, and we just came back here and hung out for a bit, and then I took my small group girl home. So, it, wasn't super exciting or anything. But anyways, today is the day. My mom is coming. My sister is gonna stay home, or stay with a friend or something. But my mom is coming, so I need to clean the house. And there was not very many dishes, but I was still feeling very overwhelmed. And David totally did most of them. Like, that's all that's left. 2 pans and some Tupperware. I need to go grocery shopping. I need to go to Once Upon a Child or Target or somewhere with baby clothes and get him an outfit for his dedication on Sunday. And what was the other thing I needed to do? Oh, my sister's gonna come over, hopefully. I'm praying. I'm like, please. I was like begging her. please come over and hold the baby so I can do laundry. Because I'll show you how much laundry I have. Are you ready? This is probably the most laundry maybe that I've ever had. That's all clean. And all of this I need to go through because it's all of his baby clothes and see what fits and what doesn't. But yeah, I need to fold all that. And then I need to make the bed. Kind of fail, which happens often. So I'm like, I'm gonna be a good wife, a good mom. I'm gonna start on the dishes. I'm gonna get the rest done. It's gonna be a good time. Well, I had made let's just start from the beginning. Honey, what? I had made David homemade French fries, and they had burned because I was dealing with the baby and ended up not taking them out in time, so they were burnt onto the pan. So I just got around to cleaning it. I scraped them all off, and I was like, oh, you know, the garbage is super full, so I'm gonna put them in the garbage disposal, and it'll be a great time. So I put them all in the garbage disposal. I cleaned the pan, I cleaned all the dishes, and then like the sink was filling up, you know, because there was a bunch of food in the garbage disposal, and I try and turn it on. You hear anything? No! Because David came in, I like vaguely remembered like it was a dream. David saying, oh, the garbage disposal doesn't work. I thought it was a dream. It was not. David came in to the room this morning and told me the garbage disposal doesn't work, so don't put stuff in it. Well, since we're here, I thought I would show you my skincare routine. Because a lot of people wonder how I can fall asleep with my makeup on and my skin is still the way that it is. However, I do not, under any circumstances, recommend falling asleep with your makeup on. Like, do not be me. Do not. Just really, really don't. If you would have talked to me a year ago, I would have told you that I am religious about not falling asleep with my makeup on. But then I got pregnant, I got exhausted, then I became a mom, and I'm even more exhausted. So, it happens. You know, it happens. I use the Desert Essence face wash. And I normally, when it comes to exfoliating my face, I use one of these little scrubbies, and they're on Amazon. I buy them from my waxer though, so I don't have a link for you guys. But I have been finding this to be a bit too harsh, and then it kind of hurts my face. But if I need a really good exfoliation, then this is intense, and I really, really like it. But lately, the past like 2 days, so very recently, I've been using my Clarisonic again. I have had this for so long. I've had this for probably 6 years or something crazy. But anyway, gonna use this with my Desert Essence face wash. So, what do you want to? And just a tip for you. I like to take this towel and just place it right here. You can't see, but right here. That way all the water that drips down doesn't get on the floor, doesn't get on the counter. I use warm water, open up the pores, you know. Woo! And I am going to put a little bit in my hand. And put it on my eyes so it will take my eye makeup off. Then I'm going to squirt some on the Clarisonic and do the rest of my face. Again, trying to get all the makeup off, because this face wash will get your mascara off, but you just gotta work at it. Alright. Also a tip for you. I use like my skin tone colored rags to dry my face because I find that I always have makeup kind of around my hairline after I wash my face, and then I stain like white towels or any other color. So I have black ones and then I have my own skin tone colored ones. That way they're not stained and they're not the cutest, but it's fine. Alright. Then I'm gonna get a cotton ball. And I'm gonna get the Thayer's Witch Hazel with aloe vera and rose. I'm totally almost out of this. I need to buy more. But put that on the cotton ball. And I use that as a toner. Like, the way that I treat my skin, I should have a lot of acne right now, and I think this really helps kind of prevent that. So then I'm going to use this Alba Botanica. This is a new one. Me and David were using the Burt's Bees one, the nighttime cream. And I really like that one. This one smells divine though. It smells wonderful. It smells like a Hawaiian vacation. And that's it. I have a lot of redness in my face. I probably should be using a vitamin C serum, but I don't have time for that right now, at least. I don't have time to go and purchase that. But anyways, that's my skincare routine. You see, I don't have much acne going on. You can see my acne scars from when I was a teenager. All of this here. Under the skin. I definitely have redness around my nose. And my dark circles are just outrageous. I have very veiny eyelids. And so that's why I wear full coverage makeup. But anyway, that's my skincare routine. Is that fun? Is that fun? There she is.
Mostly put back together. Wow. I'm so excited to have my truck back.
Okay, sorry for the weird angle, but update on the truck situation. We have our truck back. It is fixed. It's drivable. It has a new lift kit and tires, and it basically runs. There's just, like, to make it look, you know, beautiful again, there's some stuff that we have to do. But David's just happy to have his baby back, or his second baby back.
Oh. I just wonder if he still thinks he's like,
But you know what? I don't care.
if he thinks he's what?
They can't sing.
New dog reincarnate?
Sean's car was still in front of
Wait.
We're building this extension to a school, like 4 new classrooms on the outside of the school in Salem. And I was looking up and down our joists, or our,
Boo. 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 Oh, do it again. Here. Do it again. I did it again. Do it again. Is that fun? You like that? You say, thank you, Gigi, for the toy. You say that?
Baby Simeon, hello. We got some fans in the crowd. All right. David and Cal, this is David and Cal. We're really glad we're here. And Simeon loves to play with Daddy. A gift from God and your heartfelt thanks for God's blessing. If so, say, I do. Do you dedicate these beautiful children to the Lord? If so, say, I do. Do you ask God's blessing upon your child's life to guide, guard, and direct them through all of his or her years? If so, say, I do. And lastly, do you dedicate yourself to wholeheartedly pursue your relationship with God by trusting in the finished saving work of Jesus Christ and relying on the Holy Spirit to guide and direct your life, knowing that your life will model and shape your children even more deeply than words could ever do? If so, say, I do. All right, it's all y'all's turn. You ready?
To my husband, it's so hard to put into words how much you mean to us and how amazing that you are, but I guess I will try. You are honest, you are handsome, you are hardworking, you are the most godly man that I know. You are kind, you are smart, you are just wonderful, you're funny, and we are so, so blessed to have you in our lives. You are the best father to our son, and I am just so grateful for you. You are my best friend, and I love you so much. Happy first Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Thank you, dear.
To my dad. You are the most wonderful dad any girl could ask for. And you're not just dad to me and the girls. You are dad to all of our friends and everyone who needs one. You're the most wonderful dad. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for wanting me. And thank you for everything that you've ever taught me. I love you so much, and happy Father's Day. To my father-in-law. Thank you so much for warming up to me and allowing me to be a part of your family. Thank you so much for everything that you do for David, Simeon, and I. And thank you for being such an amazing papa to our boy. We love you, and happy Father's Day.